minamahal na Chief Staff, Armed Forces of the Philippines, Forces of the Philippines. Palapakan po natin siya. So sabi kanina ni GHQHSC Commander Brigadier General Armand Arevalo ng lahat ng pasasalamat sa akin. Ang dapat natin pasalamatan ay ang chairman ng APSLAI, also the CFP. I'm just the implementer. Siya po ang nag-approve. Palakpakan po natin siya ulit. Of our Corporate Affairs Division. The commander of GHQ and NGC is happy. I am very, very happy that this modular transient facility project will finally commence. We know and all agree that there really is a shortage of affordable quality housing inside camps. But I do believe that the living environments we provide our soldiers contribute to their productivity. When they struggle to find affordable housing, it can have a significant impact on their overall well-being and readiness to serve. Considering the sacrifices they make for our country, I think and I believe we owe it to our soldiers to provide them with reasonable housing options. However, given the AFP's limited financial resources, this can only be achieved with the help of partner institutions. And APSLAI, your APSLAI, is honored to be of help in this aspect. With problems on traffic and cost of gasoline, having an on-base transient space is really very convenient for our soldiers as they don't have to worry about commuting. It is also affordable because the soldiers will only be charged with a modest fee for utilities or any minimal fee, if ever, for the maintenance. Aside from that, they are close to the commissary, the gym, and other military amenities. Firing range, modern methods of construction such as modular, we value your trust. At APSLAI, we move forward together. Thank you very much.
Our guest of honor and speaker.
As I greet everyone, a blessed, sunny, and happy morning, may I request you to please stand up and join me in warmly welcome our guest of honor and speaker for today's activity, the 60th Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, General Romeo S. Browner Jr., Philippine Army.
Maraming salamat. Kindly take your seats. Good morning.
Good morning.
Ayan, malakas rin sir, gising na. But I'm sure that after the breakfast, lalong lalakas yung good morning natin. Before I proceed, may I request our military personnel to uncover. Yan, para mas relax tayo. If Brigadier General Armand Arevalo is happy, and Vice Admiral Gaudencio Collado Sr. is very, very happy, I am very, very, very happy this morning. Triple ang kasiyahan ko because I recall that a few months ago, when I was still CGPA, we had the same activity in the Army. We had the groundbreaking ceremony and MOA signing for the construction of modular facilities, transient facilities in the Philippine Army. And I heard that it has already been completed and it has already been turned over to the Philippine Army in record time. No? So palakpakan po natin yung upside. And today, we're again gathered here for a similar event where we have the mall signing and the groundbreaking ceremony for one cluster modular transient facility, here inside Camp Aguinaldo. As mentioned by our previous speakers, this is a very important activity because we recognize the dire need for transient and living space for our personnel. Kanina po nabanggit ni General Arevalo that although we have 1,000 quarters and rooms, if you may call them that, living quarters for our personnel, we need a double of that number. But in reality, if you compare the number of personnel working inside the camp, total, kulang na kulang pa yung ating housing and transient facility. In fact, from the records that I read earlier, we only can provide 30% of the requirements of the quarters and living space for our personnel who are working inside Camp Aguinaldo. So kulang na kulang talaga yung ating transient facilities and living space. So I am very thankful to the leadership of the AFSLAI, and I would like to also recognize the effort of my predecessor, the former Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, former CGPA, si General Andres Centino. Palakpakan natin si Sir Andy. Siya actually nagpupush nito. He is a staunch believer in that duty or obligation of the armed forces leadership to provide quality housing for our personnel. Simula pa yan nung CGPA siya, kaya nga nagkaroon tayo ng project sa Army. And when he became Chief of Staff, again, he pushed for this project that will be developed here inside Camp Aguinaldo. So, talagang nagpapasalamat ako sa AFSLAI for heeding that call by our former Chief of Staff to provide quality living space for our personnel. I would like also to extend my gratitude to LSL Trading, represented by Ms. Susan Oris. Palakpakan po natin, ma'am. Ma'am, napakabilis po yung project natin doon sa Army. No? So, challenge tayo ni General Arevalo. So, how many days is that? How many months? Parang 2 months lang. No? A little more than 2 months for us to complete this. Pero, we would rather go for quality. Quality naman, ma'am. Rather than yung speed by which we construct this. So, on behalf of the brave soldiers of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, I welcome this new collaboration between the AFP and AFSLAI and express my appreciation for your relentless efforts towards continuous improvement. By embracing the change and the progress, we can create a better future for everyone. The AFP also continues to adopt a pleasant day ahead.
Thank you very much, sir, for your message. Before we end our program, we will hold a photo opportunity.